flex is breaking it. Yeah.
In the dash.
Could you show me your name? What's in here?
Brody, and these are 4 DD 3515s on 1M8, and then for highs I got the 4 6.5 VO 6.5s with the tweeters, and then the tweeters in the doors.
Nice. Did you build a box?
Yeah, on-site did. That's where we were.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
In period, because I literally just got them.
Yeah, you're good, man.
So I'm not gonna play like a whole song worth. You know,
I'll play whatever you want to do, man.
That's right. You can drink. If I go to a restaurant, I buy water and fucking get a whole bunch of lemons. I put it in there. That's hydration. Water, ice melted, so that's good water. Come on, put your head up.
Heat wave.
Well, we were supposed to be over here selling cups and shirts and stuff, but me and the old lady split up. She didn't make them. I got my Suburban. I'm about to say screw it.
One of them fell out. Thank you, man. Yeah, it's getting hot.
Yeah. This is still my first truck, and I'm still doing stuff to it. Yeah.
What's going on, man? What's the tuning on this?
Well, the box is these were around 40. So that's basically what I do. But right after scraping, it's going to be put into a 4th order. So
so you're going to make a 4th order wall right here?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you not happy with it? You want to change it up, band paths?
Yeah, it is.
All right. Did you do any kind of SPL burp test on it?
I haven't yet, no.
Okay. You said not to show the back because they're not wired. What is the amps wired to on it?
I think they're wired down to a 1 ohm. They're dual 2s, wired down to 1 ohm.
All right.
Yeah, sure.
How much power do you think you're giving them?
The gain's halfway until we get my limitless 80 amp hour lithium. Yep. And after that, then honestly, I wouldn't be able to tell you.
You're good, man.
Yes, sir.
Wow. You did a nice job, though. I like the style you got here,
this
man.
was before this. It was in a C-pillar.
Okay.
I can show you.
I swear them hoes ain't got nothing on it. That nigga pussy ain't got nothing on it. I swear these hoes ain't got nothing on it. I
Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it.
just think I try, but they ain't got nothing on. They ain't got nothing on you. twist collar, Porsche. Let's have to twist collar, Porsche. Think I can protect that. Before you, baby, I fuck up. Night like me, Toya. I will annoy you and I will wash you. Let's have to twist collar, Porsche. You think I can pretend that? Before you, baby, I fuck up.
Thanks, man. Thanks for the demo.
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you, man.
Thank
Yes, sir. And you said not to show the back because they're not
Yeah.
one. What is the amps wired to on it?
I think they're wired down to a 1 ohm. They're dual twos, wired down to 1 ohm.
All right.
Yeah, sure.
How much power do you think you're giving them?
The gain's halfway until we get my limitless 80 amp hour lithium.
Yep.
And after that, then honestly, I wouldn't be able to tell you.
All right, you're good, man.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate the demo. Nice to meet you again, man.
Thank you.